Stephen Davis, RJO Futures Senior Market Strategist. Happy Friday to everybody. We'll start out 2015 will not be a year without opportunities. Here to talk to you about the grain markets this morning. Corn is up 4, soybeans are up 5, and wheat is up 5. We're just biding time here ahead of the January crop report, 11 a.m. Monday morning. So this will set the tone for the grain trading here early in the year. The corn market, you are seeing the margins on ethanol dwindle as we speak. This collapsing crude oil and falling gasoline market really threatening the margins on corn, the ethanol that's made from corn. And corn exports are not such a big percentage of corn demand as this corn ethanol story is. So we'll keep an eye on that. The soybean market, in the spring here coming up in 2015, we're supposed to be planting more soybeans. It's the cheapest crop to plant. So barring a catastrophe of weather in the southern hemisphere and or the northern hemisphere, there is going to be a lot of soybeans around. So that fundamental is bearish. Keep an eye, yesterday the soybean oil rallied. So Malaysia had a typhoon and major flooding and really held back the production of palm oil, the biggest oil traded in the world today. So keep in mind, the best rallies in soybean are soybean meal led. So this soybean oil rallying yesterday and making soybeans go higher. Soybean meal is the leader here. And we don't have the big bull market in soybean meal that we had in September here a few months ago. So backing up on that, it's just real interesting. The pipelines now are full and soybean meal is trading sideways. So it'll be interesting to see this report. If it is bullish and we rally, it should be a selling opportunity. Wrapping this up, what's going to move the markets next week? This Monday morning crop report at 11 a.m. Watch the algorithms before this report. Watch them after the report. It's fascinating trade. And I'll leave you with this. Don't underestimate a bullish play in commodities. That's a food commodity tied to the food the food of the world today, the food supply of the world today. And we'll talk more about this in the weeks ahead. Have a great weekend.
Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.